what are the income tax requirement for filing of income tax return by the NRI non-resident Indians? Today we have large number of non-resident Indians working outside the country. They are very much confused, or either they have lack of knowledge about the income tax requirement, whether they have to file the return in India or not. So let's clarify those points. So first of all, I may request all my audience, if you have not subscribed till now, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon button to get the regular updates, and share this among your friends and relatives who are very much concerned about these things. First of all, I would like to tell about the income tax provisions regarding the filing of the return by the NRI. As of now, there is a threshold limit fixed as per the old regime is 2.5 lakhs and 3 lakhs for the new regime. If your income is below this limit, then definitely you are not required to filing of your return of income. But in the last few years, the income tax department has amended the income tax form, in which they are seeking the informations of the foreign investment by the NRI, and this informations is mandatory on the part of the NRI. Although your income is below the taxable income, but declaration of the foreign assets which includes the having the bank account outside the country, land, building, or anything you are possessing outside the country, that informations must be disclosed in your income tax returns, although your taxable income is below the threshold limit, which is 2.5 lakhs or 3 lakhs as per the regime you opted for. But second, another benefits, normally all the NRIs, they having the NRO account in India, and in NRO account, whatever the interest you are being paid by the bank are deducting 30% TDS on that, irrespective of your threshold limits. So if you fail to file the return of income, in that case you cannot get the refund of the TDS deducted here in India. So my advice for all the NRIs, you start to file the return in India and declaring all the Indian incomes in your ITR. It could be much better for you in future to disclose your foreign assets, your income as well in India, and you will be relieved from